Buying a cordless drill at the hardware store is a long-term commitment to a single proprietary battery ecosystem. The quest for cord-free power began in the 1960s when NASA collaborated with manufacturers to develop tools that astronauts could use on the lunar surface. While the technology has since evolved into high-performance lithium-ion, manufacturers have used these advancements to create strict proprietary lock-in. That first drill dictates your options for the next 20 items you need, funneling you toward a specific brand for everything from circular saws to leaf blowers. Many of the physical patents on these battery shapes have expired, but companies now use internal communication software to prevent cross-compatibility between brands. Choosing the wrong brand today means you are stuck overpaying for replacement batteries in the future, or abandoning perfectly good tools because you can no longer power them. Finding the right ecosystem requires looking past the marketing hype to see how each brand matches your actual workload. The vast choice on store shelves is an illusion. Many competing brands are engineered by one parent company, Tektronix Industries. TTI owns Milwaukee, Ryobi, Rigid, and Hart, engineering each with specific limitations, like motor types and plastic grades, to target different users. That $350 price on a professional drill pays for internal components designed to survive high-intensity usage. The budget tier, which includes brands like Hart and Black & Decker, targets entry-level users who only need tools for occasional home maintenance. The primary risk here is platform abandonment. When a major retailer stops carrying a budget brand, as recently happened with Hart, owners are left without a way to expand their kit or replace dead batteries. The standard DIY tier, led by Ryobi, is designed specifically for the homeowner weekend warrior. The core benefit here is breadth. A single 18-volt battery powers over 280 devices, from drills to lawnmowers. But they reach lower price points by using older, brushed motors and standard plastic housings, which aren't as impact-resistant. These materials generate significant heat under load, meaning they rarely survive the physical abuse or the constant runtimes of a professional construction site. The standard DIY tier trades job site durability for unmatched household versatility and lower upfront costs. The prosumer tier, featuring brands like Rigid and Skill, targets heavy remodelers who need more power than DIY tools but aren't ready for professional prices. This tier relies on lifetime service agreements, which provide free replacement batteries and parts for the life of the tool. However, this coverage comes with administrative friction. You must register the serial numbers for the tool, battery, and charger within 90 days of purchase to activate the lifetime benefits. If you fail to register a subsequent replacement tool or battery within that same window, you permanently void the lifetime coverage. Finally, the professional tier includes brands like Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Makita, which are built for users whose livelihoods depend on their equipment. That premium price buys your advanced thermal management and specialty trade tools capable of drilling through concrete and steel all day. This chart compares peak torque to upfront cost. A Pro-tier impact driver outputs 2,260 inch-pounds of torque, significantly higher than the 1,850 inch-pounds found in the DIY tier. Most homeowners will never push a drill to these limits. For them, paying hundreds of dollars for professional-grade wear resistance provides very little practical return. Professional tools are a necessary business investment for contractors, but for the average homeowner, they remain an expensive luxury. To save money, some users buy third-party adapters online to run one brand's battery on a different brand's tool. While these adapters complete the circuit and spin the motor, they break a critical safety protocol. Modern lithium-ion systems rely on a continuous digital handshake between the battery's microchip and the tool's motor controller to monitor temperature and voltage. Adapters sever this data connection entirely. They remove the thermal limiters, allowing raw electrical current to flow without any software oversight. Pushing a tool under heavy load without a maintenance system creates a high risk of motor burnout or catastrophic battery fires. Bypassing a platform software to save $50 is a catastrophic risk that could destroy your equipment or cause serious injury. The right choice depends entirely on matching your specific usage to a brand's engineered limits. This scorecard matches users to their ideal ecosystem. The occasional fixer needs Ryobi's unmatched home and garden breadth. The renovation warrior bridges price and power with Rigid, assuming strict lifetime registration. Finally, the tradesperson requires Milwaukee or DeWalt to guarantee job site thermal management. Pick one ecosystem, accept its unique limitations, and never mix platforms with third-party adapters. Buying a power tool is a long-term marriage to a battery. Choose a partner whose lifestyle actually matches yours.